is the most wonderful time of the year. Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. It's that time of the year. Welcome to Ellen's Christmas Series 2022. It's the holiday season. Oh, I just love this time of the year. The Christmas lights, the decorations. Oh, it's so magical. Well, come join me in my southern kitchen as I prepare some yummy, festive holiday treats from cookies to appetizers to breakfast and brunch. Y'all gonna love and enjoy these. Your kitchen's gonna smell like the holidays. So turn on your oven, grab your cookie cutters, and turn on the Christmas music, sugar, because we're about to cook and bake some Christmas magic in my southern kitchen. Let the holiday baking and cooking begin. I'll see you soon, my friends. Let's eat. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.